Yeah, say if we charge 6 per linear foot, so 600 and 6,700, 7,656.25 times 6 is going to be ridiculous.
Whoa. This is per linear foot.
For straight foot, so 40, so it would be 87 times 87. But 87.
Hold on a second.
Yeah.
87.5 times 87.5 is that, right?
Yeah.
And that's the area within the fence. Linear foot means
Straight.
so it's just talking about the distance around. It's talking about the perimeter, not the
So
area.
add 87.5 times 4, and that times 6.5 would give you your. But if it's ridiculously high, that still doesn't make sense. If it's like 50 grand, you're not going to be.
I'd be surprised, depending on how many animals you're holding and what it's for and
So
how much.
It didn't say how many foot you could use, so I guess we decide how much we want to use.
Oh, it says 2,220. Yeah, that makes sense.
Oh,
It's 350. And 7% of that?
Yep. And then you add the total, and you say it's total bill. That's 7% tax.
Seems legit.
Yep.
So I can leave my function as this, right? Or do I have to simplify it?
Yeah, do simplify it, because you can divide by 2, so.
That's the case, I'll just x squared minus 179 x. So, in terms of these lines, here, we just add 20 to our already average divided by 2, and then just find the maximum area.
And then 20 to the average.
And then you divide it by 2 again, right?
Well, going to divide by 2.
Because you're taking the average of 20 plus the already average. Do you see what I mean?
It says add 20 to what? The average number that was generated randomly.
So that's 350 I have.
So you're gonna get 370.
370.
I thought you got two. I got two numbers.
Oh, you told me to put 87.5 as my maximum.
No, but the number you generated randomly. I thought you generated two numbers
Yeah,
randomly.
you generate. I had. It's on the front page.
225, 375.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, to the 350 then. Yeah, to the 350. So it's 370.
370, and then that's your new.
That's your new. How much you have for a perimeter?
Then you just find that wouldn't change really anything.
Oh yeah. Area's gonna be bigger. We have more perimeter to work with.
Oh, so just state the new maximum area.
Yeah, it will end up being a bigger square, basically.
Oh, did you read the tests?
No, I failed to do that. I should have it tomorrow.
This is what you called it Plato's what?
Forms.
Forms? I thought it was Plato's shapes. I kept getting something really weird.
I'm not sure how to explain how limits are applied to improve one understanding of derivatives.
I don't think he ever did. Who are you talking to, Susan?
You.
Me.
Yep.
What do you need?
Okay, that's the very last question.
Yeah.
It's asking me to explain limits that will improve a person's understanding of derivatives.
Hey.
So let me explain it in one paragraph, and it's asking about the relationship between the limits and how it's applied to understanding the derivatives. Alright, I found the definition of both of them, but I still can't figure out how to, like...
Well, certainly a derivative is defined in terms of a limit. Derivative has a limit in it. There's no derivatives without limits.
Okay. So limits... Sorry. Derivatives are used to define limits, but limits are used to define an expression as an argument of approachable value. These can be points. On the number line, often others are as or minus infinitely. The following states that x approaches the line.
Hey, Google that stuff. It's right there.
Yeah, I googled it. I still.
Just identify your sources.
I'm still not getting it.
Let me see what you got.
I went through this link, and this is what they.
Yeah, see? See, that's a derivative right there. It's got a limit in it.
Okay. Now, the way limits help understand the person's understand derivatives. What's the
Well, there's a... Do you know anything about derivatives at all?
No, nothing.
Nothing, okay.
I never.
Well, he's in talk one. We haven't done derivatives yet. Maybe why should he?
Oh, okay.
And some students have seen stuff before for whatever reason, so I was asking.
I've never been taught.
There's no reason you should know it really, though.
Nobody's ever taught me derivatives.
Yeah, but they don't refer to it that way. True.
None of my pre-calc teacher taught me about derivatives.
I'll read certain negative as I unfold the back proof beta equals epsilon.
So one more time.
Was I supposed to learn
Alright.
derivatives before I
Is
said
that negative?
calculus? Because none of my pre-calc teacher taught me
So
about
negative, I know you distribute.
It's the absolute value, though, so negative's no big deal.
So it means you FOIL it out.
Yeah, but he's asking me if I
Because it's inside the absolute value.
Yeah,
You do.
so
There is a
over 13
derivative
not
that's
running
that
12
f
still
of
on.
x minus
So
h
I just need to
minus
write
f of
the
x
width
divided by
and
h.
maximum,
That's
so I just basically typed in.
you learned that in
I
pre-calc.
just replaced it with the graph.
Here. Alright, so I got these two definitions. I just gotta put them together.
Oh, yeah, that's it. That's it. Yeah.
So how do I explain it? To help improve understanding of
You just type the math into
derivatives.
these, right, to prove if it's true or not true.
Getting that limit up there?
Yeah.
You don't know.
Yeah, the important thing is that 2bx minus x squared
Damn.
is a polynomial.
So it's continuous.
So therefore I can just plug
Well, I
in
got the
that's
picture.
formula.
I just don't know how to
Plug in
explain
b
it.
here, it certainly becomes b squared.
Not to I don't have any
The thing is,
background
X is
knowledge
always
of
approaching
derivatives.
B, X will
That's
always
why I
be-
can't explain it.
They are different. They're always different. Not that much. But the question is, what's it approaching?
Yeah, so like, if you have like B, if you have B as 40, X is approaching B, so you would list
You
that
could
as 40,
essentially
even though it's
say
not
the
doing that,
derivative
so
is-
list that as 40 because it's a polynomial. So you're,
Oh, well,
It's used to
just-
define
just
the
to
expression
figure
output.
out, you plug it in.
yeah,
change
so
and
like
It
that's
happens to be the
the
same
input
answer
change.
if you plug it in.
Yeah,
That's
so
all.
it's-
Yeah.
this is all for it says that was a total
What
bill.
is that?
And it says, do you find this reasonable?
This
Well,
is-
fact, and then I'll put yes because I like animals. You see it